Right. Let's fire up the Quattro.
So, couple things, a little explanation about the dyno is I worked straight through the night to try and get the car ready in time for the dyno. I've got a brand new starter. That ended up failing. It turned over once and then quit. I thought that it was a big lump in my throat because I thought something was wrong in the bell housing. Turns out that the starter was garbage, so by the time I put the starter on, it's pretty tight in there, believe it or not. Then we fired it up. We had a couple leaks, one of them being the main one on the oil pan. We thought we can't make it to the dyno in time, so we originally were going to go to Pennsylvania. That didn't end up happening, so we booked one in Vaughan, which is about an hour and a half away, and weren't able to meet there. So, and then it was starting to freezing rain, and we got a kind of a crappy storm. So it was probably good that we didn't end up going, especially with me not sleeping for a while. I had to drive a truck and trailer and traffic, and I hate city traffic. So maybe we'll try and get it on a dyno somewhere between here and Florida. That's still yet to be figured out and decided, but either way it starts, it's running okay. It's not running lean or anything at an idle. We didn't really rev it up yet because of the leaks. We'll get the leaks figured out and then go from there. So I'll still be working on it while you're watching this video, but lots going on and lots more to come. So thanks for watching. Here we go.
Already sounds better.
Okay, so well, all we have to do is so okay, all right. Anyway, we got lots to do yet, but what I'm thinking is we did weigh the car, and we did weigh the car, and comment down below what you think the car weighs. How much our percentages weight front to back. So like 70 in the front, 30 in the back. Stay tuned, lots of videos coming. Oh, comment whether you think we'll actually get done or not. So here we go.